So imagine you come to me and you say, Teresa, I need to find a house in Lake Arrowhead, and it needs to have at least 3 bedrooms. It needs to have a garage. I want a flat front yard. I want a flat backyard that's fenced, and it needs to be on a paved and maintained road. Oh, by the way, it needs to be in Arrowhead Woods so that I've got lake rights for private Lake Arrowhead. And while you're at it, if you can make sure that I can walk to the lake, I'll be so happy. And also needs to be under 600,000. I got you. Come on, let's go take a look. This is 358 Maple Drive in Lake Arrowhead, California. It's located in the Palisades neighborhood, which is one of my absolute favorite neighborhoods because it is laid out almost entirely in a grid. And yes, you can walk to the lake from this location. Let's go inside. As you step into the front door area, you see a huge great room. And when I say huge great room, I mean, look at the volume here. 2-story ceilings, windows galore, beautiful wood laminate floors, and the wood detail work mixed with the drywall finishes mean contemporary mountain. You have a formal dining area with a sliding glass door out to the backyard. We're going to take a look at that in a few moments, of course. Into the kitchen area, which has lovely tile work. It's a U-shaped kitchen, which means that it is in the perfect layout. This is what we want to see for a really nice functional kitchen space. There is a breakfast bar and a breakfast area, breakfast nook for your informal dining. And of course, another sliding glass door out to the backyard. The backyard area has a long, wide double deck because, as mentioned before, we've got a sliding glass door outside from the dining room and from the breakfast room. You do have a fenced backyard with a producing apple tree and a nice little patio area here that could be dressed up with outdoor patio furniture. And here is the back of the house. Look at these trees, by the way. These trees just lovely. Now, I did mention the garage. The garage is a 1-car attached garage. It's through that door there that I'm about to open for us. It's a long garage. It's got a somewhat high ceiling, and it has a little bit of storage, and it has an EV charger. Back into this living area. Take a look. I mean, I know I say that often. Take a look, take a look, take a look. But it's because I want you to see so many of the fantastic details of a home. By the way, this house has forced air heating and it has air conditioning. Over here we have a little half bath. Coat closet that way. Let's go upstairs. Now upstairs, you're going to find 3 bedrooms, including the primary, and another hallway, full bathroom, and the laundry area. You also have this amazing open catwalk area that connects all of it, and you're able to look over, again, this amazing great room area here. We're going to start with the first guest bedroom. Isn't this cute? It's a great size. And what's really nice about this bedroom and the other one on the other side is that it has this little cubby area up above that you access via this ladder here. Laundry is conveniently located between the two guest bedrooms. Bathroom number 2 is this way right here. And here is guest bedroom number 2. It is the mirror image of the one on the other side of the bathroom. It also has a little cubby space up there in the eaves. And now let's take a look at the primary together. The primary faces the front and also features those bay windows so that you've got the symmetry from the front of the house. So everything looks cohesive. We have a nice deep closet here with some built-ins. Great space, lots of volume. This room also has the beamed ceilings carrying across again, so you've got the continuity of design from the great room. And here is the primary bath. Let's go downstairs together, and I'll meet you down at the front door. So what do you think about this great find in Lake Arrowhead, in Arrowhead Woods, which means it has lake rights for private Lake Arrowhead, and yes, you can walk to the lake from this location, absolutely. Here's a little bit of extra information that might make things a little interesting for you. This home is a Fannie Mae foreclosure, which means that as a bank-owned property under the Fannie Mae banner, if you're a first-time buyer or you haven't purchased a primary home in the past 3 years, there are special financing incentives for you to help make this home more affordable for you. Isn't that fantastic? If you'd like more information about this property or any of the properties here on our mountain, remember, as your local realtor, I do cover everything from peak to peak, from Crestline to Lake Arrowhead to Running Springs to Green Valley Lake to Big Bear and all points in between. Go ahead and give me a call at 909-442-1345. I'm Teresa Grant, your local realtor. That's bye for now.